The temporal lobe is a key part of the brain, responsible for some of the most important functions that shape how we experience the world. It is located on both sides of your head, just above your ears, sitting beneath the frontal and parietal lobes. It is separated from them by a deep groove called the lateral sulcus, which you can see here highlighted in purple. Some of the most important regions within the temporal lobe are the amygdala, the hippocampus, the primary auditory cortex, and Wernicke's area. So let's dive into each of these to try to understand what they do just a little bit better. Starting with the amygdala, it is a small almond-shaped structure nestled deep within the inner part of both temporal lobes. It plays a crucial role in how we process and respond to stress, particularly in high-stakes situations. One of its most well-known functions is triggering the fight or flight response, which prepares the body to react to potential threats. Beyond detecting dangerous situations, the amygdala also helps form emotional memories, making certain experiences, whether they are good or bad, more vivid and long-lasting. Additionally, it helps us recognize and interpret emotions in others, allowing us to respond appropriately to social and emotional cues. The amygdala also plays a role in learning and decision-making, as our emotional reactions to past experiences influence future choices. Overactivity in this region has been linked to things like anxiety disorders, PTSD, and phobias, while damage to the amygdala can make a person less responsive to fear or unable to recognize threats in their environment. Next, we have the hippocampus, which is a small, curved structure deep within the inner part of both temporal lobes, sitting actually right next to the amygdala. It is best known for its crucial role in memory formation, acting as the brain's filing system for new information. Specifically, it helps encode short-term memories into long-term ones, allowing us to retain knowledge and recall past experiences over time. The hippocampus is also essential for spatial memory, helping us recognize locations, navigate environments, and form mental maps of places that we've been. Beyond memory, it interacts with the amygdala to link emotions to experiences, which is why certain memories carry strong emotional significance. Damage to this area can lead to severe memory loss and difficulty forming new memories, as can be seen in conditions like Alzheimer's. Additionally, dysfunction in the hippocampus has been linked to mood disorders such as depression and PTSD, highlighting its importance beyond just memory. Now we have the primary auditory cortex, which is located in the upper part of each temporal lobe, near the lateral sulcus. This area plays a vital role in processing sound, decoding basic features like pitch, volume, and tone. It helps us perceive and understand speech, distinguish between different sounds, and even recognize familiar voices. Additionally, it aids in localizing sound, which allows us to determine where noises are coming from in our environment. If this area is damaged, it can lead to various hearing impairments, like difficulty recognizing the voice of someone you know, distinguishing sounds from each other, and localizing the source of a sound. However, it doesn't typically result in total deafness, as other parts of the brain are also involved in auditory processing. The last region we will be going over is called Wernicke's area. It is found only in the left temporal lobe towards the upper back part, near the auditory cortex that we just covered. It plays a crucial role in understanding language, helping us make sense of the words we hear and read. This region also helps us choose the right words when we speak, ensuring that our sentences have meaning. It works closely with other language areas, like a region called Broca's area, to allow for smooth communication. If Wernicke's area is damaged, a person may develop Wernicke's aphasia, which is a condition where they can still speak fluently, but their words may not make sense when you put them together. And they also may struggle to understand what others are saying. And that's about all you need to know about the temporal lobe. If you found this video helpful, leave a like and subscribe. And don't forget to leave a comment below if you have any other topic related to neuroscience that you'd like me to cover.